The most costly foldable that Samsung has ever produced will soon be released. We're also talking about a brand new titanium hinge, a significant battery boost, and an unexpected camera blow-up. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra is this. On July 22nd, Samsung will unpack this device in London. It goes on sale around August 5th, if history is any indication. There will be a 2-week gap between the announcement and the actual event. And now the cost. Samsung is anticipated to increase prices across the board due to the worldwide memory chip problem that is affecting the entire industry. According to leaks, the base 256GB model would cost €2,199 in Europe. When we convert that to US dollars, we get between $2,099 and $2,199. The price increase over last year is between $100 and $200. Whoa! This is the twist. The Ultra maintains the traditional tall, narrow book design, while the standard Fold 8 gets a completely new, wider shape. Already, folded fans are cherished. In actuality, it is 4.1mm unfolded instead of 4.2, which is thinner than last year. It weighs about 218 grams and has IP48 dust and water resistance. Cream, graphite, green shadow, and violet shadow were among the new hues found in leaks. However, the hinge is the true headline. The titanium alloy film and titanium plate located directly in the hinge are referred to by Samsung as Flex Titanium. The resolution of the internal display increases from 1968 by 2184 to 2256 by 2504. The same 8-inch size, sharper, and cleaner. In terms of brightness, the peak is 3600 nits, a significant improvement over the Fold 7's 2600 nits. The 6.5-inch 120Hz LTPO cover screen remains the same on both panels. One rumor about a privacy display similar to the S26 Ultra did not endure. That rumor was instantly dispelled by a well-known leaker. This year, there will be no privacy mode, just a more durable, sharper, and brighter screen. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, the unique 4 Galaxy variant with overclocked cores, is the engine. 4.74 GHz is reached. This implies quick multitasking, and it should really soar. RAM expands as storage does. LPDDR5X memory, UFS 4.0 storage, and 12GB for the 256 and 512 models, 16GB if you go all the way to 1TB. In terms of software, Android 17 comes with One UI 9, which improves taskbar functionality and facilitates more seamless app switching between the cover and inner panels. The cameras, now. Here's where the Ultra truly sets itself apart from the standard Fold 8. OIS on the same 200-megapixel primary camera. The ultra-wide increases from 12 megapixels to 50 megapixels while maintaining the same 10-megapixel 3x telephoto. The inner and outer screens of selfie cameras remain at 10 megapixels. Additionally, leaks indicate native dual recording from the front and rear cameras simultaneously, improved low-light pictures, video LUT compatibility, and S26 Ultra-style camera software. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.